Hello everyone and welcome to the first class of building this website. So in this lesson we're going to cover installing the themes and plugins that we need. So the first thing we'll need to do is we'll need to install our theme, and the theme we'll be using is Themify Ultra. I already have mine installed. And actually before we go over installing the theme, though I don't want to dive into it too much because I want to keep it focused on designing this website, you'll need to install WordPress on either a local or a hosted domain, which you can do through SiteGround or any other hosting service. And I also have some documentation on the website on how to set up a local instance of WordPress as well. So you'll need to do that and get WordPress installed before we even get to this step, though I'm not going to cover it here. And once you're at this step where you have WordPress installed, then we can go about installing the theme. So once it's installed, you will need the Themify Ultra theme, which you can find over here, themify.me. You'll need to become a Themify member, which I think it's 89 bucks for the account that I have, this Master Club. That's what I would recommend getting. And once you get the Master Club, you can come down and you can see all these themes that you have available. Themify Ultra right here. And you'll click it and you'll see that it's downloaded. I had already downloaded a version there as well. And then you'll come back over to your WordPress instance, Appearance, Themes, and then I already have mine installed, but you could click Add New. You'd upload a theme, and then you'd click Choose a File, and then you'd select that Themify Ultra file that you just downloaded, and you'd want to keep it a zip. So let me go ahead and bring mine up. So you can see Themify Ultra.zip, and you'll need the zip file. I'm not going to install it because if I installed it, it wouldn't work because I already have a version installed. Once you install it, go ahead and activate it, and then we're going to come down to the plugins area. And this is where you can see all your plugins that you have installed on your WordPress instance. I already have a few, and for this course, you can see in the documentation the various plugins that we'll probably need. We'll definitely need more, but the ones I have listed, we may not use them all, but it should give us a good start. And to install the plugins, you just click Add New, Upload, and choose File, the same process as we did with the theme. And you can find all of the plugins over here onto your Themify dashboard as well. And so once you have your theme and your plugins installed, we should be good to go and ready to start designing our site, which I think we cover in the next class. So I'll see you guys there.